We're back again, comic fans. Thanks for stopping in and checking out my latest concept. Looking for a better way to store your art supplies? Then stay tuned, I got the solution. I'm going to show you how to make your own comic book pencil case. This simple DIY is the best way to keep all of your supplies together. You're only going to need a few things. All the items will be in the description box below. So get ready guys, it's go time. Grab some old comic books and let's get started. The last thing you have to do is carefully turn the bag inside out. Crinkle up your pages to give your bag a worn look. If you don't want this look, I recommend taping both sides of your comic pages in the beginning. This bag is now ready to use. What an awesome way to take an old comic book and turn it into something new. There'll be more superhero-inspired DIYs to come. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell. YouTube will let you know when I upload my next video. If you thought this was a cool concept, let me know. Hit the like button and comment below. That'll do it for this one, guys. I'm heading out, but I'll catch you on the next one.